Hey, what's up everybody? Since I posted videos of my husband and daughter's bout with COVID-19, which you can watch by clicking up here if you haven't seen them yet, many people have been asking me how I've managed to stay healthy living in the same apartment. To be honest, despite having high blood pressure and thyroid issues, I haven't gotten sick in years, like probably in close to 10 years or something like that. So today I'm going to share you some of the things I've been doing to keep my immune system up and inflammation down. I'm Risa Morimoto, your host, and you're watching Modern Aging, where we chat about innovative and holistic ways to optimize our health and well-being as we age. You click on that little red button below that says subscribe on it with that little bell next to it. You'll be sure to be notified whenever a new episode is uploaded. You can also sign up onto our email list and get the news of our latest and upcoming programs at our website at thisismodernaging.com. For me, it's not only about keeping physically healthy, but mentally as well, to keep those stress levels down. Routines are super important to me. So even though my daughter and husband were sick, and thankfully not at the same time, I kept my routines up as much as possible. I get up at around the same time every morning between 6:30 and 7. I meditate for about 20 to 30 minutes first thing every morning when everybody is still sleeping and the world is still quiet. I got introduced to the app Insight Timer and I love it. I like to do breathing exercises while I meditate. I breathe in for 4, I hold for 7, and then out for 8. You want to try it? So, I just breathe in for 4, ready? And when you do that several times, it really helps. It's like, I know that there's other variations of this breathing technique that you can check out online somewhere. It feels great and just clears your head. And then I do some exercise or some kind of movement, generally 30 to 45 minutes on most days. I like to do yoga mainly, but I've also been doing workout videos on YouTube or light jogging. I'm not much of a runner, to be honest, so I prefer to do brisk walks. And I like to switch things up. Otherwise, honestly, I get really bored and then I don't do anything. So for those of you who don't like to exercise, dance, or at least go for a walk with your mask on. If you want to stay healthy, you have to change your relationship with your exercise. So I recommend that you take a walk at least 30 minutes a day. I take my dog for a walk a few times a day. It's a great time to clear my head and I set intentions for the day or for the week. Or fitness coach Tina Tang, she's created some short videos for us on the YouTube channel. It takes less than 5 minutes. You do them at your desk and you sprinkle them in throughout the day and you actually get the cumulative effects and benefits. You can check those out here. Another thing I do is take supplements. I know there's controversy about whether or not they help, but for me, I definitely think they do. Each person is bio-individual, meaning what works for me will not necessarily work for you. You can consult a doctor or a nutritionist to see what depletion you have. I have a thyroid condition, so I take selenium and iodine. I also take B12. It's an essential vitamin that our bodies need but cannot produce naturally, so we either have to get them either from food or supplements. It's great for heart health and bone health, energy, mood, your eyes, red blood cell formation. I also take turmeric, which is a great anti-inflammatory and antioxidant. For me, I like to take the liquid. It's just easier. I leave it on my tongue for a few minutes and then it gets absorbed by your blood faster. I put the ones that I use actually in the description section below. Thinking of food as medicine is key for me. I cook and I eat real food as much as possible. Especially in a time when we're all vulnerable to illness, you want to get as many nutrients as possible from real food. The problem is that a lot of the packaged processed foods has refined sugar in it, which weakens your immune system, causes inflammation, and it's also addictive, which then makes the problem worse until you're spiraling out of control. A lot of the times we don't even know this processed food has sugar in it. Eating lots of fresh fruits and vegetables makes you crave more fruits and vegetables. So instead of feeling like you have to deprive yourself of the processed foods you like, just try to increase slowly the fruits and vegetables you eat. And then that will eventually start to take over so that you'll naturally crave more fruits and vegetables and eat less processed foods. It's called crowding out. I eat regularly, 3 meals a day. My husband prefers to do intermittent fasting. Some people prefer keto or paleo. It's all what feels best for your body. Again, we're all bio-individual, so what works for me may not work for you. But there is no better defense than your immune system than eating real, whole, organic food. It works It works great and it tastes great. There's tons of recipes online that you can choose from. I'm going to be launching a new fun segment on this channel called Cooking with Friends. It's going to be easy, healthy, fun recipes that you can cook at home. If you don't cook, then there are plenty of different meal kit delivery companies. We've partnered with Splendid Spoon, which makes plant-based smoothies, soups, and grain bowls, and Nutrition for Longevity. Choose from farm fresh, organic, vegan, or pescatarian meals that are delivered to your door. I've put those links down in the description section below. At night, I've been using essential oils. I love Thieves because it smells amazing. It smells like cloves and cinnamon, but also has like lemon, eucalyptus, and rosemary. Oh my God. It's the go-to antiviral, antibacterial, and anti-infectious essential oil. I like to put it on my feet at night. The absorption points are stronger here because the pores on your feet are bigger than any other area of your body, and it also has trigger points. Have you heard of foot reflexology? These points are directly connected to different organs and areas of your body. We've partnered with Plant Therapy, an amazing essential oil company that has basically any essential oil you could hope for and more. I do want to disclose that some of those links below are affiliate links, which means that we do make a small commission should you decide to purchase through those links. But this comes at no cost to you. I'm not into promoting products that I would not or do not use myself, and the small commissions do help us to produce videos like this. And it also takes away some of the noise for you. If you have sick members in your household, be sure to take precautions. I've outlined our COVID home treatment plan when my husband and daughter were sick. Thankfully, they're both recovered 100%, so now things are back to 100% in our household. But we're all not out of the woods yet and still need to remain diligent about wearing our masks, washing our hands, covering our mouths when we cough, and keeping our immune systems robust. We have other health COVID-related videos, so be sure to check those out on our channel. You can also always go to our website for more resources at thisismodernaging.com. Stay healthy and stay safe, and thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time on Modern Aging.